Brand experience. Every customer, when he interacts with a new brand or it's his first time to interact with a brand, goes through 4 steps. First, brand awareness. Second, being interested. Third, having desire. And fourth, taking a purchase action. Let's look at a case study. Let's take the brand Lime Friends. You probably know this brand. It started in Asia as a chat app, with time slowly expanded to become a product brand. At the beginning, the app probably did not go very well. So they thought, what if we try to create a store experience? And customer with time will get the chance to interact with our brand and get used to our idea and love our app. So in the first step, the brand is trying to build awareness by inviting people to come in and have an idea what the brand is all about. At this point, the brand is not trying to push people to buy their product. The brand is only trying to acquire customer loyalty. And the best way to build awareness is by entertaining people through designing marketing campaign or asking people to share their product information by giving back free samples. The second step, when people start to experience a brand. When people come in and look at the brand, they don't know what the brand is all about, but slowly they start to experiment with the brand product. At this point, the first reaction is very important. If the brand is well designed, then people might be interested. But if it's poorly designed, people might not bother, just turn their back and leave. If they like it, a lot of questions might pop in their mind. Is this a cool brand? Does this brand fit my lifestyle? Why am I interested? What's going on in here? Why people are liking it? Why people are sharing it? At this period, it's all about exploring the brand style, culture, pricing, and product. And probably not a lot of purchase will happen in this period. People still probably are not sure what your brand is all about. They might have an idea about it. They just probably think that it's a cool brand or if it's just a boring brand. It will probably take more time to process, analyze, and get used to your brand. At this period, try to not push a lot for sale. People might reject you and reject your ideas. There hasn't a lot of trust been established yet, and people still not sure if this is the right choice for them. Also keep in mind, at this period, when people look at other people and they see them only experimenting and no one is buying, they probably are not going to buy. If I look at everyone and see that he's only experimenting, then why should I buy if he's not buying? This is why we have slowly built up to a point that almost everyone is willing to buy. In the third stage, people start to desire our brand. They begin to understand our brand on a deeper level, and it becomes a part of their lifestyle. Now they start to like your brand, trust their choice, and start to share it. But why people would bother themselves, take out their phone, take a photo, and give you a free service by sharing your product? It all have to do with your customer self-image. Most people love to feel and be perceived as a smart and cool person. Another point we will be talking about in the third module, which is when people see their self-image in your brand. Your brand probably matches their lifestyle and their self-image. People tend to love to share their self-image with their friend by telling the people that this is what I like, this is my lifestyle, this is who I am, and this is what I like to read and buy and have fun with. And their friend will like their stuff and interact with them, which make people feel that they belong to community, and that make people feel happy and great. This is when a word of mouth starts to spread out and more people get interested and more people get interested. And the fourth stage is action. When everyone is interested, when everyone likes this brand and it's become a part of people's lifestyle, now people are ready to buy. But here we need to be careful about pricing. If we are targeting a specific kind of audience and our price is too high, people will be liking our brand and our brand story, but they will be unable to afford our product. They still come back and have a look, but they are only bouncing customer. They're not a purchase customer. By bouncing customer, I mean they will only come in, have a look, take a few pictures, and they leave. There's no purchase. We will be talking more about this point in unique selling proposition. If all the conditions are right, customer will buy our product and get it back home. And they try it. If they like the experience and they like the quality, they probably will become a long-term loyal customer. We don't need to sell them, they will just buy. But if we did not provide a great quality product or great experience, people will probably not come back. They will have a very bad experience in their mind about our brand, and they probably would badmouth our brand, which would hurt our brand reputation. To summarize this part, we need to understand that we should not push our customer into buying our products, and we have to build a consistent experience that allows customer to trust us, try our product, and share it.